Love love love. I didn't want to spend a lot so I bought and cancelled a few times, then it went on sale and my dream of a sweet chair came true. Pretty chairs. They are a little firm to sit in but my 9-year-old daughter likes to curl up in them. I bought two and the legs on one of them are a little wobbly. The material is thick and seems to be good quality. I need to find a way to support the legs better but they are great for the price though. This chair is beautiful, even prettier than in the picture online. I love the colors and the style. It was super easy to put together. Literally screwed 4 legs in and out the back and cushion on. Took less than 10 minutes. I love this chair. I submitted a photo with the wingback chair on the left and the club chair on the right. Love them both. They are easy to assemble and sturdy. They will last the rest of my life if I can keep the dog and the old man off of them. The fabric is just wonderful. I am surprised at how much I love this chair. I was hesitant to order. Glad I did. It was easy to assemble. It's the perfect size. I find it comfy. We liked the pattern and ordered 2 of these chairs. They look nice. After spending so much money didn't expect that seat cushion would be big and always stay outside the seat frame. Wish this can be fixed. It took me 4 years to find this chair again after moving from Seattle to Anchorage. I am thrilled. Normally I don't like to buy furniture online other than desks or bookcases. This chair was a gamble. I'm so happy with my purchase. It fits perfectly in my office and is super comfy and cozy for my guests.